How to compare credit cards with Credit Karma. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once you are logged in, look for the Credit Cards tab at the top of the homepage and click on it. This will take you to the credit card offers page. Next, you can browse through various credit card options based on your credit profile. Credit Karma automatically shows cards that you are likely to qualify for, saving you time. To compare cards, click on the Compare Cards button or select multiple cards you want to evaluate. You will see side-by-side details like interest rates, rewards, fees, and benefits. Pay attention to important factors like cashback rates, sign-up bonuses, annual fees, and balance transfer offers. You can also read detailed reviews and terms to understand what each card offers. Use filters to narrow down your choices based on your preferences, such as low interest, rewards, or no annual fee. Once you find the best card for you, click Apply Now to start your application securely through Credit Karma. Now you know how to compare credit cards with Credit Karma to find the best option for your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.